Hey guys, good morning from our last morning in Montenegro. It's raining, just started raining. I think it's going to rain for the rest of the day, so it is a good time to be getting out of the place, heading north into Bosnia. Let's go. This is the bridge that everyone talks about and says it's bad. No one coming the other way. Crunchy, crunchy. Everybody on the review said that bridge was really bad, really dangerous. Yeah. Go back? Yeah, so I just had to drive back to the Montenegrin border, who told me that the insurance was in Bosnia. I've had to walk, I don't know, 100 meters up the road back into Montenegro to find a cafe. She wouldn't take card, so I've only managed to buy 7 days insurance. Anyway, we're now in our 9th country of this trip, which is Bosnia. Look out for the landmines. I think next to a border they would sort the roads out, or at least put loads more of these rocks down. Got some locals here. Hi mate. What have they been doing here? Oh, chopping the grass down or something. We're off to a little town called Foca, which might be pronounced Focha and not how we all want to say it. Right guys, we've made it to Foca. I'm just going to grab some food for later. Probably going to be in another town tomorrow. SIM card will have to be tomorrow because we've still got 1 day left on this one. Yeah, can't take you with us because it's peeing it down anyway, as you can see. But yeah, let's go and see what this town has to offer. Right guys, we've been to Foca. We've got petrol, £1.8p a litre, which is about, I'm guessing, 30p cheaper than England. Full tanks in. We're now driving up, which I wasn't expecting to be driving up. Going to some memorial garden type thing. That's got a big monument statue on it. Looks quite cool on the pictures, but it's only going to be a 20-minute, half-an-hour job. And then after that, we'll carry on to our first proper city stop in Bosnia. I think this is a war memorial for the Second World War. Yeah. So that last town there, it wasn't worth staying, there's nothing there. We got some food. I bought a new frying pan for £8. Quite a good one actually. The food shop comes to about £11. We actually got 4 bottles of pop, 8 litres of pop in that. We got 2 packets of butter, 2 packets of ham, 2 cakes, nice cakes. It's definitely cheaper here in Bosnia. Just checking the van. Some funky looking building over there. Battle of Sudjetska Museum. So it says Sudjetska Memorial. So maybe that's what this is. How the fuck do you cut the grass on this? No wonder it's overgrown.
You take that down, I got off. Don't try and beat me.
I can't run in flip-flops. She's going that way. I'm going this way, guys. She's already running, look. I think I've got the stamina to beat her. There's no way she'd beat me up the top of this, surely. Even in flip-flops. Let's go. Wish I hadn't started that. And I've just been webbed. Not good. Whew. We're having a drink when I get back. We've got 3,301. I guess that may be how many died. Borak maybe battle. What happened to you? Oh yeah, excuse, yeah. I heard you running up there at the beginning. Oh, I won. 44, still got it. They look like heads. Okay, now more steps from where they go. Right, top of these steps. Can't go any higher. Whew. Looks like there would have been somewhere to sit or something. Even when I'm talking, I can hear it vibrating. Weird. Oh, there's a view down. Right, on the way back down now, guys. So we went to the top of that. It was like acoustic things. How many is that? 71 steps. So we're going to count how many down. How many do you reckon? You've seen me walk up, so we're at 71 steps so far. Come on, guys, have a think in your head. How many steps to the very bottom?
Don't tell them and then they can...
Okay, we're not going to tell you. We're going to see if anybody bothers to comment, and I will reply with the answer. Thank you. Whew. Made it to the bottom.
The bridge.
What bridge?
Two bridges.
Oh, they're just derelicts. It's close to the museum, which is shut, so... Yeah, one thing about Montenegro and Bosnia so far is they pick the rubbish up. No rubbish on the floor, like England when I was a kid. Not anymore. I like to leave dead bodies on the floor in England. I think Albania's been the worst for rubbish so far, definitely. Did you guess on the steps? Don't forget, put it down below, because I'm going to forget by the time you comment, because these videos are like 6 months behind. Well guys, we've got a bit of a traffic jam here in the mountains in Bosnia. Right, mate. Oh, giving the side eye, look. Look at side eyes on them.
Oh yeah.
Right, castle over there, guys. That's cool. Right, guys, we've arrived at the next one. Some of the reviews said tourist scam, so they just charged me €4 to park the van in a car park. That's probably free. He did give me a receipt though, so maybe legit. We said you can obviously drive down here, but he was saying no, gotta park, gotta park. Got these little stalls here, nice restaurant here, hotel. And someone's selling jam, cherries and jam. So this is location number 2 today. Got some water type stuff here, irrigation stuff. It's got nice and warm as well now. The whole street is lined with stalls. I'm going to have selections of bags. Oh, look at that. Owl-shaped Passat. That'd be good for a bit of a camper conversion, wouldn't it? You could put a bed in the back of that. Go travelling. Some skin over there. A rug, some type of skin on it. Loads of restaurants here. Wow, this is a touristy place, isn't it? Well, good old Lily, 5 years old, you know what I mean?
Tell me if you can see it from the
See what?
flower.
Lily's going to drop a flower in. Go on then. Can we see the flower? Yeah. Over there. Right in the middle. Birds coming under the bridge. Woo! See? These flip-flops have come in handy now, guys. Because the sun's out. I've really got sweaty shoes on.